Boogeyman, 1069 on the 1061.
Mahalo, and thank you so much for watching another video of the TK808 Productions YouTube channel. If you guys want to follow us, please subscribe to the channel, TK808 Productions. If you want to leave a comment or a like, you just hit down below. If you want to follow us, we have our website located on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Please have a wonderful day, and aloha!